Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you, everybody? Okay, as you can see, today's product is called My Traffic Jacker, version 2.0. Okay, so this is it's like from Joshua. So what is My Traffic Jacker? Just give you an idea. The idea behind this product is it's a software which will help you to find expired domains. Okay, I'm not sure whether you guys know expired domains. I'm sure you should have known and the power of it. Okay, why? I'll tell you what you can use this for and later. But just give you an idea, the software is it's going to help you to find those expired domains, which is from YouTube, from Wikipedia, from BBC, from Quora, and this is a version 2. The first version was just with YouTube and Wikipedia, and now they've added more sites. From there and all, you can find these expired domains, and there's a big list in the other page. I'll show you in the JV page where what can you use this for. You know, what is the purpose of this expired domains? I use this a lot. Okay, I use expired domains a lot for my mass page sites. Okay, so this is like there are lots of purposes there. I'll show you a big list what can you use this domains for. But before that, let's jump on inside the software. So this is the sales page. You can see legally hijack the free traffic. I'll tell you what is the idea behind it. So you can see this from YouTube, from Wikipedia, from BBC, Quora. These are all the websites, Quora websites. These are all high authority websites. Okay, so all these are all like go through on your own time. Okay, it's a sales page. Go through on your time. Let's jump on the product just to show you inside. Where is that? Yeah. So this is how the dashboard looks. What is the thing? Only thing is I've actually this time this is a version 2. With the first version there was like it is almost the same. What is the extra difference is they've added this Quora as well as what is that thing, BBC, as well as these extra features. You can see this Academy subjackers was there. I think previously it was there, and what they've added is something called Ocean Search, which is like which comes on this one. Let me show you. The only issue is I will show you, but there's I will add a separate demo of this product so you'll know everything fully. You need to come here. Most important thing is to add your API key. If you come here, YouTube API key, that's the basic thing you have to do. Once you come here, you'll be adding the API key here, and then once you have done you can see this plus come here, add it. There's a tutorial on it, everything, so you're fine. So you can go through that tutorial and you can add the API key. It's simple, few minutes watch. You can see this video watches. Basically he has put together all the, so not here, resources, I think resources, or yeah, this is the notes, and there is a video tutorial. Yeah, sorry, here it is. This is exactly you need to do how to use this is a YouTube API key. It will tell you how to do that, but the basic thing, you come here to do this. See, these are all the searches I have done. Okay, these are all the searches I have done. This is like from long when I started using like a year ago, like I was using a lot, and then I stopped using it because I jumped on to different kind of work because I was not doing expired domains. I jumped on to YouTube reviewing videos. So then I was not doing this. Now I'm using it for my mass page sites, not for YouTube. So there are different purposes you can use it for. But this is like, they're all the old searches. Once you do a search with the keyword, it will give you results like this. You know, like 500 videos it searched, and I got 20 target links. So all these links will be here where you come here, which is domain not available. I think it's old search. So these are all the domain available. You just go and go get it. Okay, this is what you do exactly. And then if you go to the searches, these are all the saved results actually. And if you're going to do a new one, I'll just show you. Okay, so it's just taking me to the, this is an upsell actually, so it's just taking you to the upsell. Let me go back. One second. Okay, let me go to the, just to show you newly if you had to do, you just go to keywords and then you do a search like keto diet, something like that, you know, keto diet, and then do a search. then it gives you a different ways of or the different keyword suggestion, and once you choose that one, you will get the option to see, this is the first version. Since I am a first version member, I haven't got updated it, so I'm waiting for the launch. As soon as the launch, since I am already an old member of Traffic Jacker, I will be getting like a discounted version for me. I already got the mail. I will be updating it. So then I will be seeing not just these two. I'll also have BBC and I'll have Quora. So I'll have 4 of them. Okay, that is more powerful places to get domains. So this normally you put like 1 year before that, like normally you, because normally any domains whoever doesn't require take the domain, they leave it. These are all called expired domains, which we can take it and use it. So this is like normally you can put it like 1 year back, so that you know it normally after 1 year, if they don't use it, it's been taken, it's not renewed, it gets gone to the expired domains list. So from there you can take it. Normally I'll do it like 1 year normally. Just put like this is June, okay, March is fine, and then this is the number of searches. You can see this, there is a limit on this. That is why if you see here at the top here, 0 credits before. Now what the difference between Traffic Jacker 1 and this 2 is they have made it as a credit system. So on the front end you will be getting it like it's like $33 or so. You're going to get the software, you're going to get like a limited credits, but it is the upsell one which will like it's a monthly version. For the upsell one, if you're going to take it, that is where you will be able to get like a discounted credits. Credits is basically like for one search it is like 1 credit, something like that sort. So more like if you're getting 1000 credits, you can use it up to 1000 times research, and then once you're finished, then you have to buy the credit. That's the idea behind it. I don't have credit now. I'm waiting for it to the new version to open, and then once it's open, I'm going to buy the upsell, so that I'll be getting the every month credit, so I can search every month how many domains I want, I can buy it. So that's what it is. You can see number of results, and then once you're done with this, you just create this you have option to relevance or view count. That is, view count means I'm doing to YouTube, right? You want to search by number of views if you want to, and then press create. Then what happens is that it's searching it, and I might have like a limit. I might not like it's only 50 videos. There's no, it's like 0 links. That means it did not find any link. It is not like that every time you search you're gonna get links. No, it does not happen like that. You have to, you have to spend time. It will happen. But I feel like it's because I also have to have credits, which is because of from the last 2 days I have tested it. It's been I'm getting a mail from them from the support team saying that you will be able to purchase more credits once the launch with the discounted code, so I can have more links. So basically this is where you will be seeing it like 10 links like I showed you right here, right? Saved results. No, what was the thing? Research, where did I show you the, this is all the previous searches, right? Let me show you the one just to give an idea. This is the old search which I did. So whatever the old search, it shows that. See, this is 500 videos I did search, and I got 20 links, and from this 20 links I'll be able to get it, and then you can register by domains and stuff, register with GoDaddy or Namecheap. They also integrated that one on the API key. If you go to API key, there's also option to add register both of them. So once you're here, there'll be like you can have the option to like upgrade access to these features. I don't have this because it is the old version. There's no feature with that. But this is something I used a lot when I was doing yearly. There's option to flip domains. When you get a very good high quality high end domains with more valuable, more views or more traffic, you can easily flip it on Flippa or other places. Okay, that's the idea behind it. There are lots of ways to make use of these kind of domains. I'll show you the list. But the idea is once you're here, you will have like domains not available. Right? There should be this old search. Yeah, the domain's available. See, this one is available. So I just take this domain, go to there's something called, you can see this. I'll just show you an example. Just take it here. Go to I'm not sure it's still available. That's the old search. Go to something called the spam checker. There's a free normally there's a free spam checker. I think there's a free website there which helps you to I forgot the name. There is like there is one second, guys. Give me a second. Let me get that website. Just hold on. Yeah, sorry guys, I just got the name. I got it from my laptop because that is where I use it. Website SEO. It's called Website SEO Checker. Okay, that's an awesome website where you can come to know about any domain you get. Best thing is go here, check it, because end of the day, once you get it, you have to enter the URL, paste it, then do like a analyze thing. I'm not sure it's still available. Let's see, what does it say, the data. Oh my god, doesn't give you. One second. Where is the thing? Spam score, SEO, domain authority checker. Yeah, I think this is the one. 1 second. Paste it. Yeah, perfect. So, okay, that's good. Okay, because all the domains you see it's not going to be the best one. Okay, you have to do lots of research. See, this domain authority is 1 and page authority is 5. But see this spam score, it's 50%. It's always better to, it's normally they take it like 1% or 3%, like they say. Normally it will be like that range, or some new size it doesn't have any spam. So this is not that, it's not a good domain to take it as well. Okay, so it's not like every domain you see you have to buy. Okay, it's like, it's a research, you do it, and you should be good enough, or you have to do lots of research in order to get those golden domains. Okay, so that's also you need to know. It's not like you buy this software, then you're going to get lots of domains, but you also have to have a good authority as well. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, this is something you need to check before you buy it, so that it is worth your time and effort, whatever you do. Okay, that's it, guys. That's the style of getting like domains from searches like this. Of course, it is like, if you do like every day, spend like half an hour, 1 hour research, you will be able to get those golden domains. Okay, sure, there's no doubt about it. And then you can use it. See, there are lots of ways to make use of it. Let me show you. This is going to cost you $33, and then this is what I was telling you, upsell. Before going through this, let me show you what's the purpose of these kind of domains you can do. Like, so this is like, there is a list here I saw. It's a very good. You need to know what purpose you can. This is what it is. What can you use the domains? You can say this. You can divert. There's something called 301 direct. You know, if there is lots of traffic coming to this website, you can direct them to any affiliate offer. If it is like keto diet, you can get some keto offer in ClickBank. Redirect them. That's one. Direct link product marketing, massive list building, passive. You can use it for the AdSense purposes. That's true. This is what I used to do as well, flipping domains. You know, if it's really getting good traffic, you can go to Flippa and other places and try to flip it. It's like, this is called PBN. Like, basically, using these domains, you can build a website and try to for the money keywords, you can give like a backlink to your different offer, so that it boosts the ranks on the YouTube as well as your Google. That is a buy and rent private. This is the same thing. It's for your purpose, and you can also rent it for others. Resell the domain back to the original owner. Okay, that'd be interesting. Okay, and authority redirect ranking, and rank your e-com site or Amazon stories. So this is whatever it is done here is totally possible, but you should know the ins and outs of doing things. Okay, it's not like as I said, you know, even for research you need to spend time. Okay, half an hour, 1 hour a day, so you can get those 3 or 4 domains, which is really valuable. And these are the purposes. Like, you should know there's a proper case study as well, which is going to show you how to find these kind of domains as well, which you get as a part of the product which you buy. So I think that's the idea, guys. So I'm sure you can getting the idea what is the purpose of getting these expert domains. See this it's good that they are also shown here. See, this is what I was telling you. This is the same website I showed you. Imagine getting a domain. It's from PBC, a domain authority of 95. That's like awesome. Okay, don't expect that every time. Okay, that's like golden. This is something possible. 1310. This is like a normal domains. This is good enough for you to start with. When you don't have a spam score, that's good enough. That's that's really worth it. Okay, this is like a golden one. This is like a golden one. Okay, that's, I don't know, might be very rarely you might get, but this is like a normal one. Okay, you should know that also. Okay, it's not like every time you're gonna get everything perfect. So okay, what's the price? $33. I'm sure if you're new, if you want to test it out, you can always buy the front end, test it out, and you can come back and buy the upsell, because this is going to be a credit based. See this, there's going to be some kind of credit you're going to get, few credits, number of credits. They didn't mention exactly number of credits for a discount, but if you're really serious on this business, this is where it is. The upsell with monthly credits. It's like a fixed on a low end price. You can see this. You're going to get the pro version with the trial for $1, and then like you're going to be charged $47 every month, and you're going to get like a standard number of credits, like might be 1,000, or I don't know what exactly how many credits. You're going to be getting credits for every month. You don't need to bother about buying it. You can use it nicely, and then next month it gets filled up. So that's like a monthly credit system. So these two are the front ends, and then we have like something called Academy. You can see this where you'll be getting multiple over the shoulder case studies. This is what I was telling. There's also one case study, I think it is included, where they show you, but this is like an academy, like they're going to show you multiple case studies, how to find, purchase and monetize it. But I showed you, right, these are different ways, but if you really completely totally newbie, then you can go for this one. It's going to be for $27, and then the trifactor, what is that, $67. That is able to unlock 3 additional power features. Well, it's up to you guys. That's why I say subjackers basically means you can hire this process to your VA. They can do for you. That is what I was telling, a subjacker feature, and some other features are there. Check it out. When you go through the funnel, you'll be going through it. But I feel yeah, this is SynLab and SynBuddy, which I use. Actually, SynLab is my favorite one, which I use it to rank my websites and stuff. It's up to you. Okay, if you don't know anything about SynLab, just go search it. There's lots of review videos are there. It's basically you'll be building authoritative WordPress blogs. Like you're trying to boost your rankings of your Google and YouTube videos by adding properties. We call it as, you know, like different properties, like through social media, as well as properties on Google, as well as through Facebook. There are lots of ways we can boost your rankings on Google and YouTube through these software, SynLab and SynBuddy. It's from them actually, from Joshua. You can buy that if you want. You're giving your customers a very special offer of SynLab and SynBuddy. That's up to you. And then the Elite version is basically that's a monthly version. Am I right? Yeah. It's a monthly. No, that's not mentioned here exactly. OTO 4. There is OTO 5. They mention. I mentioned it's Elite. They've added, I think, but it's not mentioned exactly how much. But that's basically your customers will be unlocking 2 very powerful features of MTJ. This is what I was telling, Ocean Search as well as One Domain. Basically, it will help you to see where all these domains which you get are available throughout the net. You know, they'll put like a double quote that will take you directly to a Google search. It will help you find whether these domains are already indexed and which are the places it is available throughout the internet. So that's something, an extra feature you get. Don't worry, there are lots of features which I'm not able to show you. There's a proper demo. I'll add it on my YouTube channel. If not, you can watch it on the sales page. It's there. I think you can check the full demo and you can decide on that. But to me, if you're really a newbie starter, you can go with the front end and the pro version. If you're serious with the credit, if you're really like, if you want to test it out, if it is going to be worth it, test the front end, and then you can always go and buy the upsell. So it's no urgency. Okay, it's like, it's not that you get this domain, get the software, you're going to make money tomorrow. No. Okay, always remember that it's all about hard work. If you're going to go this route of domains, stick to it for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Do this kind of whatever it is. You want to buy this website, build a site on it, and you want to flip it, do that. You know, if you want to buy it, and if you want to redirect offer and test it, do it. Or you want to go the PBN route. There are lots of ways to do it, guys. You should know but what to do. If you really don't know, I think this guys that they have this case study as well. I think it's all about, they're going to show you how to monetize the campaigns using the domains you find. So that's something you can check it out. But I'm sure this is a software. There's also another software. It's called UYT Snoop. I don't know. That's my mentor uses it. It's similar to it. There are like 2-3 software similar to this, which is like, it's in the market. But these guys are there for like long time, and that's why it's a second version of it. They have upgraded it, making it more and more powerful. Okay, that's it, guys. That's MTJ, my traffic jacker. for you. So if you like it, click the link below, and if you get it, I do get commission, so I'm thankful for that. And I'm also going to give you some cool bonuses. All these bonuses will be delivered. It's all to do with affiliate marketing. All this will be delivered to your email. Like it will be here. Once you click it, you can access it. You can see this access affiliate bonus, access affiliate bonus. You can click it, and then it will be directed to your email, all these bonuses. So that's it, guys. That's My Traffic Jagger for you. So it's an awesome, like, a toolkit. You can have it, I would say. I do still use it. As I said, for last 6 months or so, I didn't use that one because I'm more into reviewing videos, like lots of videos I'm reviewing. So, but what I still recently started doing the expired domains for, I started using the domains for mass page sites. As I said, that's what I'm concentrating more now. That's something I'm testing it out. I want to do something on mass page sites. So that's where I'm using. I buy some expired domains because I'm lazy for sitting and finding it. So I buy some expired domains from certain places. Like each domains cost me like around $30, $40, depends upon the TF and trust flow and citation flow. CF and I showed you right this one. You can see that this is a very, very important feature, trust flow and citation flow. Which if it is a new domain, you won't have anything. But when you're an expired domain, when you're buying, I want to buy it more expired, like more authority based channel. Then I go and buy it. Some few places are there where I buy them, and then I try to build a website on that. That's a different kind of thing. You can check the review video of mass page sites in my channel. So that's the idea behind that. There are lots and lots of uses of expired domain. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's worth any expired domains. You're going to get it. It's going to be really you have to do a research mainly to do such websites. You do the research, and then you can try and buy it, and then you can build many things on it. So that's it, guys. So thanks a lot for your time. So if you like to get it, you can get it through the link. Thanks a lot for that. If you're going to get it from my link, I truly appreciate your support. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you click the link. Two things. One is to hit the subscribe button and then the bell icon, so I can bring more new products whenever it releases into the market. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.